Every year, millions of peach, plum, cherry, apricot, and almond pits end up in the trash. But what if I told you that one tiny pit could become a beautiful tree, completely free? Most people think it's difficult. It isn't. In fact, if you know just 3 simple steps, you can dramatically increase your chances of growing healthy trees at home. But there's one mistake almost everyone makes, and it quietly kills the seed before it ever has a chance to sprout. We'll reveal that mistake near the end, so make sure you stay with us. Imagine harvesting your own juicy peaches, sweet cherries, fresh plums, golden apricots, or even growing your own almond tree. It all starts with something you probably throw away without thinking. Today, you'll learn exactly how to prepare the pits, how to wake them up naturally, and how to give them the best chance to germinate. No expensive equipment, no greenhouse, no complicated gardening experience. Just a few simple techniques that nature has used for thousands of years. And trust me, the final tip changes everything. Let's start with the first step. Choose healthy pits. This sounds obvious, but it's where many people fail. Always use fruit that's fully ripe. The healthier the fruit, the healthier the seed inside. Avoid damaged fruit, avoid moldy fruit, and don't use pits that have been roasted, baked, or processed. Only fresh, raw pits can grow. If possible, collect several. Nature is unpredictable. Some seeds simply won't germinate. Planting 5 or 10 gives you much better odds than relying on just one. And in a moment, I'll show you why cleaning the pit is far more important than most gardeners realize. Once you've saved your pits, wash them well, remove every bit of fruit. Even tiny pieces left behind can encourage mold during storage. Use cool water. A soft brush works well. Then let the pits dry for a day or 2 in a shaded place. Don't leave them under direct sunlight for long periods. Too much heat can reduce the seed's viability. Many beginners skip this step because it seems unimportant, but later they wonder why nothing grows. Small details make a huge difference, and the next step is where the real magic begins. If you're enjoying these simple gardening tips, take a second to subscribe. New videos every week can help you grow more food, save money, and make your garden thrive naturally. Now let's move to the step that surprises almost everyone. Here's something fascinating. These trees don't expect to sprout right after the fruit falls. In nature, they spend winter sleeping. This natural resting period is called dormancy. Without it, many pits simply refuse to grow. That's why planting them immediately often leads to disappointment. Instead, you need to imitate winter. This process is incredibly simple. Wrap the cleaned pits in a slightly damp paper towel. Place them inside a plastic bag or sealed container. Then store them in the refrigerator. Not the freezer. The refrigerator. Leave them there for about 8 to 12 weeks. Check them every couple of weeks. If mold appears, replace the paper towel. If it becomes dry, lightly moisten it again. This single step can dramatically improve your success rate. But don't plant them yet. There's something you need to look for first. Patience pays off. Eventually, you'll notice something exciting. A tiny white root begins to appear. That's your signal. The seed has awakened. Not every pit sprouts at the same time. Some wake up early, others need several extra weeks. Don't rush. Nature works on its own schedule. And here's another common mistake we'll explain in just a moment. It's responsible for countless failed seedlings once you see the small root. Plant the seed carefully. Use loose, well-draining soil. A small pot works perfectly. Plant the pit about 1 inch deep. Place the root pointing downward if possible. Water gently. The soil should stay slightly moist, not soaking wet. Too much water removes oxygen from the soil. Roots need both moisture and air. Place the pot somewhere warm with plenty of bright light. Soon, a small green shoot will begin reaching toward the sun, and that's when the real excitement starts. Young seedlings don't need complicated care. They need consistency. Water when the top layer of soil begins to dry. Give them plenty of sunlight. Rotate the pot occasionally so the tree grows straight. As the roots develop, move the plant into a larger container. Later, when it's strong enough, you can transplant it outdoors if your climate allows. Remember, trees grown from seed may not produce fruit identical to the original fruit. That's completely normal. Every seed is genetically unique. Sometimes the results are even better than expected. And now, let's talk about the biggest mistake of all. Here it is, the mistake that ruins thousands of seeds every year. People lose patience. They throw the pits away too early. Some seeds need extra time. Some germinate after 12 weeks. Others take even longer. That doesn't mean they're dead. They're simply following their own natural rhythm. Another mistake is constantly digging the seed up to check it. Every time you disturb the root, you increase the risk of damaging it. Plant it, water it, leave it alone. Sometimes the hardest part of gardening is learning to wait. So let's quickly recap. Choose healthy, fresh pits. Clean them thoroughly. Give them an artificial winter in the refrigerator. Wait patiently for the first root. Plant them in well-draining soil, then let nature do the rest. A pit that most people throw away could become a tree that lasts for decades, and that's pretty amazing. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple gardening tips that actually work. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which tree are you going to grow first? Peach, plum, cherry, apricot, or almond? If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next gardening tip. Thanks for watching.